The goal with this activity is to work on your jumping capabilities. Here's what you're going to do. Get two boxes. You want one that's a little bit higher. You want one that's a little bit lower. You're going to stand right in front of the box that's higher. And then what you're going to do, about hip width apart, you're going to drop down, tap the box with your rear. You don't want to rock back or anything like that. You're just going to tap so it gives you a sense of how deep you need to get down into the counter movement. And then you're going to jump up to the next box, making sure you have a soft landing. What that would entail is making sure that it's whole foot contact, slight knee bend, and be silent. It's going to look like this. I'm going to dip down, tap, land. Tap, jump, land. One more. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.